Spinner brought back from the other end. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. Good shot for a single. That's a quick throw right on top of the stumps. There it is, special innings from the batsman. Crowd on their feet to cheer the moment. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position. Got it from the meat of the bat. And that's a very well played 50, a solid innings. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. That ball deserved a boundary. Spinner brought back from the other end. Magnificent striking from the batsman. That's gone high. Good shot for a single. That's high in the air. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. You can keep looking at the replay of this one all day. Smart bowling according to the field set. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Picked and deposited out of the park for a 6. That's a clean strike. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Missing his line there, wide signalled.